Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Check This Out. On this installment, as you notice from the thumbnail, we're going to be doing 2-ingredient ice cream. Have you ever been sitting around binge watching movies and said, hey, I could use some ice cream? Well, if you've got some milk or some evaporated milk and a can of sweetened condensed milk, then you have ice cream. Well, of course you have to have an ice cream maker too, but a lot of people have those ones around where you freeze the bowl and put it in. If you've got your bowl already frozen, then you're ready to do ice cream. This one's quick, easy, and you can add anything to it that you want. I'm going to be adding some peanut butter to mine, but how about some mint extract and some mini chocolate chips? You could make a mint chocolate chip. Take maybe a couple shots of espresso and some chocolate syrup. Hey, and you've got a mocha. Anything that you want to put in it, just about, you can do to this ice cream. But really all you need is maybe some milk, some condensed, sweetened condensed milk, and maybe a little bit of vanilla if you want vanilla ice cream. But that is about it. So we're going to get started here. I'm going to be using the Edge Star with the built-in compressor, but you can use anything that you want to. As long as it's an ice cream machine, I suggest you follow the manufacturer's instructions. But as far as making the mix for the ice cream, really this is all you need. So let's get over to the ice cream machine and get started, because I've got a movie paused right now and I felt like I wanted some ice cream, so I decided to make some, and why not film it, because somebody else may benefit from this also. So let's get started, shall we? Okay, we're going to start off with 14 ounces or 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. I already put that in my measuring cup here because I wanted to spare you me trying to dig it all out of there. And for my addition, I'm going to use 3/4 of a cup of peanut butter. And then, since the capacity of my machine is about 1 1/4 quarts, I'm just going to add enough milk then to bring it up to about 1 quart, maybe just a bit over. Now that I have my measurements, I'm going to pour it into a bowl and try to get everything out of there. There we go. Now I'm just going to give it a little whisk. Well, actually a big whisk. Should have probably broke up the peanut butter and the sweetened condensed milk first, but it's going. And it looks like I still got some nice little pieces of peanut butter, which will actually be pretty good going throughout it. I'm going to take about, say about a teaspoon vanilla extract. Don't really have to have that, but if you got it around, why not? Alright, that should do it. Let's take this and pour it into our container. And that looks about right for mine, because there is going to be some expansion as it starts to mix some air into it, so it should be pretty close to the top of that. Alright, now let's get it into the machine. That's all there is to it. Mix together 2 or 3 ingredients and you're good to go. Looks like the machine's ready to go. All we have to do is put the container in, put in the dasher, put the lid on, there, install the motor, hit the power button, hit start, and there we go. In about 60 minutes or less, we'll have ice cream. The machine just finished, and here's what it looks like. Of course, it probably needs to harden up just a little bit, but let's take a scoop of it. Look at that, we got some nice little chunks where we didn't quite completely mix the peanut butter into it. That'll be a really good flavor. Okay, so put that in there and try a taste. Wow. The peanut butter really kind of cuts through the sweetness of the sweetened condensed milk. It's creamy, almost like you have a ton of cream in it, but there's not. Will this replace doing a full cooked custard? No. But it is very, very close. This is fantastic. So I'm going to put this in the freezer for a little bit. Let it set up some more. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll try making this yourself. And in the next video, I have a waffle cone maker here, and I'm going to take that and try to make some waffle cones for this while it's setting up. So make sure to check out the next video. That's it for this time. See you next time on Check This Out. Thank you very much for watching. Take care, and we'll see you next time.